Leadership today is lacking compassion, and which is why we are seeing that there is no citizenship of the subordinates working under the leaders. That way I find these events should be arranged, and the landscape in which this event is arranged is definitely making this mark.
Hi, I'm Sejal from Bharat 2.0 Conclave. Today on the red carpet with us we have Dr. Kanak Wadhwani, Assistant Professor, Ramdev Baba University, Nagpur. So, Ms. Kanak, how are you feeling?
I'm good, Sejal. How are you?
I am good as well. That's great.
All right.
So, on to the first question?
Yes, sure.
Great. As the keynote speaker, what excites you most about sharing your vision on this platform of Bharat 2.0 Conclave?
I'll start from the day I have received the invitation. The invite was for this as a panelist, and I can see the landscape this event has, the kind of participants visit, kind of people, experts are visiting. Putting our points in front of them is some certain thing which is amazing, and the reach of the event is so much that one should not miss it.
Yes, amazing, amazing.
Right.
So, in your opinion, what do you think, how important are events like this for shaping the narrative of the industry?
Sure. And industry people and academia and different sector people come here and meet and put their points in front. So then there is a direct dialogue, and it's not I said, he said kind of a situation wherein we are interacting and finding solutions to the problems both of the sectors are having, both of the sides are having. So that way I find these events should be arranged, and the landscape in which this event is arranged is definitely making this mark.
Perfect, perfect. So, what is the most common blind spot you see in the modern executive leadership?
Blind spot is, I would say, maybe leadership today is lacking compassion, and which is why we are seeing that there is no, citizenship of the subordinates working under the leaders.
Right.
So leader need to be compassionate about their subordinates so that they can keep them as a team.
Definitely,
So,
that is like very important.
One is forming a team, and second is keeping them along. So that should be also a focus.
Okay, great. On to the rapid fire questions.
Okay.
Okay.
So, do I? Am I going to get a hamper?
I mean, if you want, definitely.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what is a book that every Indian CEO or founder must have on their desk?
Yeah, I would say every Indian should read this. That is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. So,
Okay.
right. So it is for leaders, for CEOs, for people, for everyone working.
I love how thoughtful your answer was. I absolutely love the answer. The next question is the biggest distraction for leaders today in one word.
Distraction is what is going around is affecting them a lot. They shouldn't get distracted. They should be focused, and if they know that their risk-taking ability is high, then they should go for it.
Okay, great.
No second thoughts, kind of.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
A habit you broke to become a better leader.
I would say I brought in my, you can say, behavior or nature is the discipline is one thing which I have brought in completely, and I'm not compromising anyway on it.
That is amazing. And if you had to write a tagline for Bharat 2.0 Conclave, what would it be?
Tagline for Bharat is, we are here.
Okay, perfect. And now we have a special edition, that is the ball box.
Okay.
I hope you're ready.
Yeah.
We'll have a hamper. Great.
Then more ready.
Okay, good.
Right.
Can you please pick one?
Sure.
Perfect. May I?
Oh, it's a hidden question.
Yeah. It's a surprise for both of us. So, what is the most overrated piece of leadership advice you constantly hear?
Motivate, and motivation is more talked about and less worked upon.
Oh my God. Yes, definitely true.
Right.
So, it was a pleasure
Thank
talking to you.
Likewise.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank
Great.
you.